basically I use this tool, which is right here. I have it on my layers. I use this tool of black and white, and then I just usually you can click on the link and the toolbar pops up, and you have all these different reds and tools like that, and creating a cover layout to make it more appealing for others when they come to your page and say, "Wow, I really like that cover." You know, a lot of people want to see that on your page. And I know a lot of people, I kind of like that. Actually, that's kind of good. Making a cover layout is very simple. We're gonna crop this out. Oops, I don't want that. I just wanna take that out of there. Okay, and we're gonna take an image of him. I have it on my drive, so yeah. I'm hoping this actually records, because I did this yesterday and it didn't record, so I'm actually hoping. only on his cover it doesn't record, which I don't know why, you know. I'm gonna take his photo that I took of him. This is one of my second favorite portrait photos I've ever taken with a Nikon D400 camera, DSLR. It is one of my second favorites. My first favorite is basically of Nick Jonas sitting at the piano, and I kind of liked it. I liked how Nick Jonas looked at me. He's like, oh, look at that, a photographer. A video person who's a photographer. Yeah. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just resize this, and we're gonna cut him out. Basically, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna use a lasso tool. It doesn't have to be neat right now. You just need to cut him out, basically. Yes, that's what we are doing. Basically, you just have to cut him out, and that's what we're supposed to be doing. And then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go up to edit, and I'm going to copy merged, and then I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to delete this layer image, and then do that, and then, and no, this is not black and white. I don't know why this is like that. I don't know. So I'm going to just move this over here. And I'm going to use the zoom tool, and I'm going to remove the background essentials, basically. And remove the background essentials. Oh, wait a minute. Always use the lasso tool to clean up, because it's a very great cleanup tool, basically. It's one of the best tools. I love Photoshop, basically. Photoshop is one of the best tools. Okay. It's the best cleanup tool to clean it up. And then now I'm going to zoom out. Not zoom in. Zoom out. No. I don't want to zoom in on a computer. Hold on. And I'm going to move him, so make sure to, I'm going to zoom out, zoom in on the bottom to make sure all the stuff is already cleaned up. Like this part right here. This part of this table. You can tell part of this table as well. This man is wet. I don't know what that symbol was. Don't know. I'm gonna just clean it down here a little bit. Make it straight. Make it look something really cool. Okay. Okay. And now we're gonna straighten him out. The bottom won't be bothered because he's gonna be just at the bottom. So basically, I'm gonna do this, and then like that one, and then I'm just gonna, oops, that's not what I want. I'm gonna add the background. That's what it looks like right now, and I'm just gonna move him over here. Ooh, Oh, I forgot about that. I'm going to zoom in onto here because... Zoom out. I'm going to zoom in. I'm just going to do this lasso tool and just remove all this white, basically. Just removing all this white within the photo, basically. Oh, wait a minute, where's it? Oh, I got to select the layer. I'm going to come down to the effects panel down here. It says FX, and I'm going to do Auto Glow, which is right here. Click Auto Glow, and then for him, we got to use white. I'm going to move this over here just a little bit. Photoshop, really? I'm going to use white instead of yellow because white is more professionally founded than yellow. Yellow is more like, it's basically more like, I'm going to use screen, which I used before. I always like screen. I'm going to turn down the opacity. You got to have them make it glow a little bit. I don't want it noisy. I'm going to spread it just a little bit. He's gonna watch this, he's gonna say, what the heck did she do to me? Be professional, Stephanie. Be professional, Stephanie. Okay. I'm just gonna use the Auto Glow, and it's basically like this. Basically, spreading it is very difficult to do. I'm just gonna slow it down just a little bit. I'm gonna size it down just a little bit so it gets a little low. Make them glow. Make them glow. Okay, that is pretty much it on how to make that Auto Glow. You can resize it down, and yeah, that is what it is. That's how you create a cover layout, just like this. Just like this one that I did. Basically. Oh yeah. Okay, it's basically what I did, and that's what it is, how you create a cover layout just like this. If you want to see the official cover layout, you can go check it out on his Facebook page. I have a link in his description to check it out. Check his page out. Make sure you like it as well, and make sure you like my Facebook at facebook.com/StephanieIsLive as well. I'm actually looking into the video cover layouts because video on Facebook is doing cover videos now, which is kind of interesting. Then I can use Premiere and stuff, which is kind of cool in After Effects. Yes, and check that out. Check it out on my Facebook page. I do have a cover video. I don't use a cover layout on my page. I use cover video because it's very motion appealing. But for this, for instance, if you're a realtor, I would recommend using actual cover. You can use a video, but it has to be brand worthy. Okay. Which I know all about brand worthy. I have been doing brands, creating brands for about it's going on 10 years. 10 plus years. Alright? So check that out and like his page and like my page at facebook.com/StephanieIsLive. I have a link in the description, and check out my official website as well. And if you're out there that needs a cover layout for your business, let me know. Contact me on my website. I will be highly to recommend my services for you. And make sure you subscribe for my next video like this, and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @StephanieIsLive, and see ya, peace, bye.